So today I want to talk about something which I learned from the book The Magic of Thinking Being, and that is that when you have to think about something, when you are overthinking about something or you have a fear, then what you can do to cure that fear is there are two steps which the writer have told people about in the book, that is The Magic of Thinking Big, and that's very simple. And I have an exam tomorrow, that's why this video will be very quick. I'm just recording this so that you can also figure out that okay, if you are in fear of something, because I was few days ago because of my exam, and I was overthinking and I was kind of not trying, like I was not kind of doing things because I was overthinking and I was just thinking about that, okay, what will happen, okay. So I just like read that quote, okay. I have read that quote in past, and then I thought why not to like recall that and make a video about it or execute it in my life. So what I did was there were two steps which you can do. The first thing is, if you are in fear of something, then write down what is the fear is clearly. The more you define the fear and the more clearly you will write about your fear, the answer for that, the solution for that problem or the fear will be more accurate and it will be solved easily, right? Okay, so there were two steps. First step was to pin the fear. Let's say you have a fear of something. You just have to pin that down. Pin that down mean that write it down somewhere in detail, that what is the main problem, okay? Like be specific, be clear that what is the end of the fear, like what is something which you are like fearing about, okay? So in my case, that was that I have my economics exam and I have to study maths and I have to study other subjects, right? Because the gaps are very less in between, okay? So I was kind of overthinking because of that, and because of that I was not studying economics, right? So what I did was I wrote it down clearly on paper that okay, I am fearing that I'll not get good marks in maths and like things like that, okay? And I was kind of writing it in detail that okay, how much I have studied. Then I wrote that okay, I have completed 50% of lectures, and then I have written that okay, I have watched all lectures of economics, okay? So basically the thing was that I was fearing from economics or because of maths, like I have not studied maths, and because of that I was in fear that okay, my economics exam will not go well, right? So then I written down all of that in detail that okay, what is something which I am in fear of, and then what I have written down is that what action I can take right now to get close or fix my fear, okay, to get rid of my fear. So two simple steps. First one is write down your fear, pin it down, write it down, define it clearly that what is the main thing which you are in fear of. And then second point was that to write down that what action you can take. So first I wrote down that okay, I should study for my economics, and then in the next line I wrote down okay, I'll study economics, but what I'll study in economics. Then I have written down that okay, I have a notes of 400 pages, I'll read that or I will revise that. And then I wrote down okay, and what should I do right now? Then I gave it a clear action point that okay, what should I do right now? And then I written okay, I'll start from page number 1. I'll start reading notes and I'll start highlighting what is the important points in that, okay? And then also there was a small action step missing, and that was that what quick action which I can take right now. And then what I have done, I have wrote down that I'll shut my diary, like close my diary, and I'll open the PDF in my laptop and I'll start reading that. And then quickly I just cleared my desk right now at the moment, and then I started studying. So that is something which I learned from The Magic of Thinking Big, and this is something which I have learned today. So I was thinking that to not record a video because I was studying and I was thinking that okay, I should study because I have an exam tomorrow, but then I thought that I just have to record for 3 minutes, so why not, okay? And this is also important and relatable. So yeah, two steps to cure your fear. First, pin it down, define it clearly, okay? And second is take action. you are thinking that okay, it is too late to take action, but there is still some time left in which you can take action and you can improve or change or get rid of your fear. So I'll see you in the next video. See you. Bye.